Princess, I think I'm done writing for today. Come on, girl, let's go get a snack. I'll just set my typewriter down right there. Come on, let's go, girl. Aha, right where she wanted me to steal it, even though she doesn't know I'm going to steal it. Haha, best prank ever. Where's my typewriter? I set it right there. America, help! Where could it be? America, my typewriter, it's missing. Did you look all around the room, Catherine? No, but I left it right there, I swear. And got it. I'll just sit right here, get comfortable. Hey, I heard about your typewriter, Catherine. Yeah, I really miss it. I mean, I set it right here. Princess, sniff the scent, girl. Girl, go, go, go. Joss, you stole my typewriter? It was me, but you'll never find it. I got it. It fell and it broke. Joss, this is all your fault. I can't believe my typewriter's broken. Catherine, Joss has something to say. Catherine, I'm going to replace your typewriter. I'm going to use all my own money and earn it. Thanks, Joss. You're a great
Yard
sister.
sale.
Yard sale. Oh, America, is that to help me raise money? Yeah, it is. I cleaned out the attic. How much money have you made? I made $200 selling that old barbecue to Mr. Granger. Sucker. Look, Joss, is that a country concert with a prize of $500? I could totally win that. Wow, Joss, that was great. You're totally going to win. Catherine, I got you this. Aw, thanks, Joss. That means a lot. Subscribe and join the family.